Hi. Today, the NFS Studio team is going to show you how to install our newly updated NFS Premium Theme. By the way, if you don't have this exact theme yet, you can get it right now through the link in the description. Let's dive in. First, go ahead and download your theme file. While that downloads, a quick reminder, we'll be dropping detailed tutorials for every single custom section soon. So hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss out. Make sure to keep your downloaded file as a zip. Next, head over to your Shopify dashboard. Go to Online Store, click Import Theme, and upload the zip file you just saved. Give it a moment to install. Then click Edit Theme. Once you open the editor, you'll see the theme activation screen. Check the email we sent you. You'll notice we provided two distinct license keys, one for the theme and one for the sections. Start by copying your theme license key, paste it right into the box, and click Activate. Right after that, you'll activate your premium sections to get full access to all features. Just jump back into that exact same email, copy your second key, the section license key, paste it in, and hit Verify Section. And just like that, your NFS Premium theme is fully active and ready to dominate. Again, if you want to get this premium theme for your store, check the link below. Don't forget to subscribe for upcoming updates and tutorials. See you in the next one.